everybody, it's Coach DaniBee with DaniBee's Activities Virtual Gymnastics Gym. Today I'm going to teach you the DaniBee's card game. First, before you start, make sure that you have a super safe space. So do your super safe space spin. As you spin around, put your arms out to the side so that you're not going to hit anything. Awesome, so what you're going to get is a deck of cards. Each card means a different activity or a different exercise that's going to make you stronger or more flexible. All right, so let me show you the first card. If you get a red face card, so any card that has a face on it that is red, so a diamond or a heart, you are going to do 10 jumping jacks. So jumping jacks look like this, right? Stretch your arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. If you get a black face card, so any card with a face on it that is black, either a clover or a spade, you are going to do 10 squats. This is how you do a squat. Stand up, reach down, touch the floor, stand back up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. If you get an ace card, any card with the letter A on it, an ace, you're going to do 10 popcorn jumps. Popcorn jumps look like this. You keep your legs super straight, hands on your hips. You're going to only use your feet or your ankles to pop off the floor. These are also called bounders, right? This is how we get really great tumbling, by using our toes. We don't bend our knees in tumbling. Here we go. You do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super fast. Moving on. If you get a clover, it kind of looks like, I don't know, like something from St. Patrick's Day, like a 4-leaf clover, 3-leaf clover, you are going to do table flips. And you do the number that's on the card. So we got the 4 of clovers. You're going to do 4 table flips. So you push up into your table like this. You flip it over, starting with your hand first. Then you move over, moving your foot. That's 1. Then you go back the other direction, and you come back. You're trying not to let your body touch the ground. If that's easy and you need a challenge, see if you can push both legs out straight as you move over. Woo, super challenging. That's 3. Bring it back over. That is 4. Let's go to the next card. If you get spades, so I got the 7 of spades. Spades is for handstand leg switches. So find your space. I have hardwood floors, so I'm going to use a yoga mat for these. You reach down and lift up one leg. Make sure your leg is super strong and straight behind you. You're going to jump and switch legs. We're practicing on keeping both legs tight as we switch our legs. You do it 7 times. If you need a challenge, see if you can balance before you switch. Balance before you switch. Now friends, if you accidentally fall over, the way to fall out of a big handstand is you fall and find your feet on the ground. You turn your body and you try to find those legs down to the floor. All right, let's move on to the next one. If you get the card with diamonds on it, you are going to do candlestick leg lifts. We got the number 4, so we're going to do 4 candlestick leg lifts. So here we go. You find your nice soft space. Lie down nice and straight. Super straight legs pushing through your ankles. Leg lift up. And now push your body up as much as you can. Then you bring your legs all the way back down. That's 1. Then you go back up. 2. If you need a challenge, put your arms up over your head straight. Lift up your legs. 3. Last one. 4. Nice job. Moving on. get a card with hearts on it. You are going to do push-up position to sumo pose. I have to do 5 of them because there's the number 5 on there. This is how you do push-up to sumo. You do a push-up position like this. Your feet are behind you. Jump your feet next to your hands and reach your arms up and go roar. It's like a sumo wrestler, right? Like this. That's 1. Jump your feet back. Jump your feet back in, lift up to sumo. If you need a challenge, add a jump. So you're gonna push back, sumo, add a jump, and go back. That's 3. Sumo, jump up, and back. 4. Oh, we have to do 5. I have 1 more. Jump your feet, jump. Good. 5 times. Okay. If you get a joker, you have to make up your own dance moves. So I'm gonna do my dance move like this. It can be anything you want. I just want you to dance. Make up your own dance move. All right, thanks guys for joining. So when you go through these cards, try your best. There's 52 cards in a deck, so it's really gonna push your perseverance. Whew, I'm already out of breath. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have fun working out. This is Dani B. I'll see you next time.